What's going on? My name is NFT Flenny, and today we'll be going over my drop results from the Marvel Mighties Season 1 Captain America drop on Veve from this Saturday. My goal for this video is just to show you guys how the blind box format works so you can rewatch it and maybe change your strategy or adjust your strategy or see what I did that you did or didn't like or did or didn't think of. So I just want this to be an example that people can refer to in case they didn't feel good with their strategy for the first blind box. This was our first time ever seeing the blind box format. Normally it's a first come first serve basis, and the ultra rares, secret rares, even the rares sometimes, they can sell out instantly. So people who don't have the best connection or who aren't as close to the Veve servers, they are sometimes disadvantaged. So it was pretty cool to see a blind box for the first time. So here the timer is at about 10 seconds, and normally for a drop you can see what you want to buy, but here it just stayed at the kind of intro screen. So then it counted down, wasn't sure what to expect, and then it refreshed, and then the buy now option was available. So I went straight forward, of course. So then it was loading, then I was able to buy now. And then for me, I'm not sure how it was for you guys, but it was spinning for a while. It said processing, it took my gems, and I've known from the past that when it takes your gems, it means that your order has gone through. So I was kind of hesitant because I wanted to let it finish just to be sure, but then it was taking a really long time and I didn't want them to sell out because I wasn't sure. Again, this is the first time that Veve has done a blind box, so didn't know what to expect. Ended up quitting and then bought another one. It took my gems right away, so kind of waited for a little bit again. Wasn't sure. It said order received, gems were gone. So I just kept going until my gems ran out. So for next time, I know for a fact that as soon as your gems get taken, you can exit out of this screen and just keep buying them. So especially if there's a drop that has less, because this is Marvel and there have been many additions compared to normal Veve drops. So, you know, if there's less additions in the next blind box drop, then these could sell out really soon. So I just rounded off my gems, spent all my money, and then I just waited for the collectibles to hit my account, which took a while. I didn't have the best luck with my blind boxes. I got 3 common Sam Wilsons and 3 uncommon John F. Walkers, which, you know, I like them, but not the best luck. But fortunately my girlfriend was able to land 2 red skulls, so I was playing around with that a little bit and that was really fun. So I really enjoyed the blind box format. I really think it's more fair for everybody, and I think it's a more exciting and overall fun experience. So I'm looking forward to more in the future. Well guys, I'll wrap it up here. Thanks for listening. This has been NFT Flenny. See you guys next time.